Hello, everyone. It's Brian Dunwoody with the FTM Trading Podcast. I do have Alan Asp with me, who's come back from Vegas. Had a great time visiting with relatives. Here is the iOS app, which...
Hello. Hey, that sounds great there.
Look at that. I need to look at why these times are weird. And basically be able to click on these links to show, if you guys are familiar with the Android version, it brings up all the different triggers throughout the day that a particular stock has done. So I still have work to do. I have my list somewhere right there. So as I plug through these, and hopefully it will be within a week or so, I'll be able to get this out on the Apple App Store in a testing mode. So bear with me, plugging along, making progress daily. So like I said, I'm excited to get this out. It's functioning. It just needs to look pretty. It just needs to do a little bit more things that it can do that the Android version does. So, but I have a model and it helps. So yeah, Alan, how's it going?
Oh, it's going great. Hey, I got my new hat.
Yeah, for those, and let me stop sharing. So Alan, look at that, Mr. Options right there.
Yeah, right there. And I got my new book.
Oh, nice. Yeah, you should give those out as Christmas gifts.
Yes, I should. It's interesting. I got my new cards.
I think, yeah, did I get an email with those? I think I did, either that or a text.
Yeah, yeah, see it right there.
Oh, there it is. You can see it now. Yep. Oh, look at that. The option secret. Yeah.
Yeah, and then I got the FTM Trading app. That's so I hand out my cards. Get the FTM Trading app. So yeah.
Yes, and for those of you that have the app, and if you're using it and you enjoy it, or if it's helping you, please give me a review. Go out to the Google Play Store. It will show that it's installed on your device, and leave a review. Let me know how it's working for you, because that'll help us. So
so let me go into the science a little bit on a couple of trades I was telling you about. Now, the Fed meeting gave certainty to what was going to happen. So this is what caused the gold to spike upward, because the market doesn't like uncertainty. So what happens is it caused gold to go down, because they weren't sure what the Fed was going to do. Because the markets had certainty, it gave the gold a place to go ahead and run upward. Gold GOLD stock was completely oversold. The 20-day simple moving average on 3 months was around $19.63. Yet the stock was at $17.35. It had nowhere to go but to go up. You could have went ahead and bought as many contracts you wanted at the 18 contracts at $6 a contract. That's 50 times 6, which is $300. You could have went ahead and sold those for roughly $30 to $40 a contract. Same thing on the 1750 contracts. Even the 1850 contracts, which is a good deal, You could have got those for $2-3, and they were trading at somewhere like, whatever, $17.
Yeah,
So
'cause-
the key thing is that you want to go ahead and do this when it's inflated.
yeah,
But I
because
tell
didn't
you,
gold trade
gold
up to
doesn't go up
1850?
tomorrow. It's going to go ahead and drop, quickly. So what you're looking for, what I look for on my list, you're looking for a stock that has room to move. Now, you may or may not realize, looking at stocks, what is going on. It's definitely, they're definitely unloading stocks right now. I mean, you saw it after the end of somewhere around 9:35, 9:40, 9:45, complete sell-off. Google, Visa, American Express, your big stocks that usually move very well, Tesla, all the stocks tanked, because what it is people are selling into any type of movement upward. Not overly a good sign. Now, I don't know what's going to happen next year. Nobody does. I guarantee you, if the Fed increases the interest rate 3 times next year, like it said it is, it's going to go ahead and cause mass problems for our national debt. For some reason, nobody cares about it. I don't know why. I got to think, when somebody calls it in, like a foreign country like China, and says, I want to go ahead and cash in on my debt, we're going to have some problems. But for now, nobody cares. But the problem is that people are thinking tax increase next year, I'm liquidating. I mean, you have stocks that make no sense. Visa started up $2 and ended up down $4 or $5 or some crazy amount.
Hmm.
They're selling into any type of increase. And so that's that. Where do I see gold? I see gold to continue to go up. But me, I don't like to hold long going into into Friday. So I'm actually out. So I don't know how that's going to play out or not. But I would expect gold to run to 1935, because that's the 30-day simple moving average. I'm sorry, the 20-day simple moving average at 3 months. Actually, Visa rebounded at 2 o'clock. It was down, but it actually rebounded. Oh no, at 10 o'clock is when it took its low. Yeah, it went down to 211. Yeah, I knew it when I looked at Visa. I'm like, man, this thing down.
Well, it started up like at 216, I think. So yeah, that
was 216 and
right
went
at
to
the open.
211. Yeah, that's telling you that you're seeing sell-offs. So. Mhm.
Right, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, I was actually short the SPY, sold for profit when it started retracing. And it came up and hit the 5-minute low and basically just tanked from there and sold off the rest of the day. So that would have been an incredible re-entry for a short, because it never held that 5-minute low, or it never basically closed above that 5-minute low. So, it traded above it, but it never, on the 5-minute, never closed above it. So, so yeah.
So we shall see tomorrow. My strategy is I like to get into something that works with the app. My strategy, if possible, is to buy 50 contracts. That's what I like to do on Fridays. And I like to use the 5-minute high and lows as my entry points. So one of the strategies I found actually doesn't work bad is that if tomorrow, if you get something like Visa, American Express, MU, that's one of the ones I like. When it approaches the 5-minute high, is a great time to go ahead and go short. And then the thing is, watch it as it comes back to the 5-minute low.
Yeah.
And, if it bounces, then I sell. If not, then hopefully it's going to go ahead and tank even further. So.
Or even if it like triggers a long or triggers a call and then eventually reverts back down below the 5-minute high, go short there.
Yeah, you know, it's interesting. I was in Vegas, I'm a slot machine, and I was looking at MU. And the Fed said that you know, they're going to do whatever they did, and the market roared up. Now MU actually went up like $1. I mean, it's like, wow, this is crazy. And then I'm like, I'm going to play this thing short because it's way overbought. And I looked at the 5-minute app and I said, I can't do it. I mean, it's right at the 5-minute high. And so I didn't do anything with the trade. That thing went up $2.40. So the issue is the reason I say that is because it'll cake you out of a trade too. Because in my mindset, I thought MU was going to go down because it's, you know, it's been overbought, but actually it went ahead and actually, you know, was it was beautiful call position. So sometimes the SMA works on a long term, but not a short term. So, but gonna run, Brian.
Okie doke. Sounds
Gotta go
good.
ahead and go through my trading notes for the week for tomorrow.
Right, exactly. Yeah. Yeah. I'm looking forward to one of those journals from you.
All right. Well, it sounds good.
Maybe that's what I need to start doing is start tracking my trades. So
Oh, I track every trade, and then you gotta go back and see when you bought it and what happened.
yeah.
So,
And if you listen to the app or not.
yeah,
Right.
that's all I do. Yeah. So,
Okie doke. Have a
all
good
right.
night. Have a good weekend.
Okay. You too.
We'll see ya.
All right.
Bye, everyone.